1, we introduced ourselves in the class. We also completed a grammar quiz with our teammates. After that, we watched a YouTube video which is about artificial intelligence and healthcare. Based on the video, we answered a few questions and we also did a simple presentation. In that lesson, we learned that artificial intelligence and bring a phenomenal change to the healthcare. We also learned that AI can really reduce the work and burden of nurses and doctors, and nurse and doctors will have more time to take care of the patients.
In week 2, we started our class with a presentation of week 1's homework. Then we continued our lesson by answering grammar quizzes. It was really helpful for us as a student to improve our grammar. After that, we watched a YouTube video about Chinese anthem and answered questions related to the YouTube video, which can help enhance our reading skills. Before the class ended, Mr. Halim asked us to write an email about the film festival as homework.
In week 3, we started the class by answering a quiz in groups. The activity was so helpful to recall about past participles, the most common error that almost everyone makes when writing. We also learned about the relationship between pandemic and traveling, as we watched a YouTube video and answered a set of questions together. We had a mini speaking test in our own respective group, conducted by Mr. Halim. This activity helped us to boost our confidence and to think about a good point to talk about quickly. As the homework, we were given a task to edit a vocabulary video together. This work let us learn some new vocabulary as well as improving our editing skills.
In week 4, Mr. Halim, our English lecturer, conducted an asynchronous class as that day was a public holiday. We were required to complete the homework given, which is to find out the grammar mistakes in an article and answer several questions based on 2 different articles. This exercise is challenging and can improve our vocabulary. This is because some words in an article are really difficult and we need to refer to dictionary in order to understand the meaning of those words.
In the 5th week, the first activity gave us a chance to talk and work together in groups. The second activity tested our mind and tongue at the same time. The activities carried out were very beneficial and meaningful.